automatic extrusion. In the extrusion window, select automatic. In here, you'll find your plastic settings. Scroll up or down to change which plastic you're extruding. Use the right button to select the plastic. ProtoCycler will now preheat to the specified temperature. While preheating, ensure you have your tools ready: wire cutters, tweezers, and a strip of tape. Once preheated, ProtoCycler will give you the option to select filament is ready, and plastic should be flowing from the nozzle. Use the tweezers to grab the blob of plastic and slowly guide it from the nozzle between the guide rails and through the puller wheels. Now use the wire cutters to snip the blob of plastic off of the end and guide the wire through the grommet in the spreader. You may need to pull gently on it to ensure it doesn't get bunched up between the puller and the spreader. Now select filament is ready. It'll now take a minute to stabilize and get the diameter to the specified diameter. And once it's gotten it there, it will say spooling is ready. You may now trim the filament short using the wire cutters, and then use the tape to secure the filament to the inner part of the spool. Make sure that the filament is firmly attached to the spool. Now, select Spooling is ready. The ProtoCycler will take care of extrusion from here. Plastic is pulled from the nozzle past two diameter sensors as it's cooled. It then runs through the spreader to be evenly distributed on the spool. This gives you a nice and even spool of filament. When you're finished with extrusion, push Stop Extrusion to enter the shutdown sequence. This will begin the cooling down phase. Make sure it's fully cooled down before powering off your machine. Now that you can recycle your own plastic, you have the ability to free your creativity from the constraints of cost or environmental impact, and we're excited to see what you do with it.